In the heart of Navi Mumbai, proudly stands an institution with a vast campus accommodating world-class facilities and amenities. Every step decides the course of your future, and who understands that better than us? At D.Y. Patil University School of Hospitality and Tourism, we equip students with the correct exposure to excel in their careers and live the dream. It's a place where you develop your creativity, practice your culinary skills, and immerse yourself in a learning experience every day. The D.Y. Patil University is re-accredited by NAAC with A grade and CGPA of 3.40, which is a mark of respect and honor in itself. Culinary studies, hospitality, tourism, bartending, we have it all. Students can choose from diverse set of programs. We are proud to be associated with prestigious universities around the world, which helps our students to get global exposure. With an aim to provide the best possible learning environment to our students, we provide a blend of traditional and modern teaching with virtual classrooms. Our faculty is a team of talented, inspiring and experienced trainers who guide our students and encourage them at every stage of their program. They develop your skills, provide a hands-on experience and cultivate your passion into a career.
The teachers here are very friendly and well experienced. They are our mentors. They guide us at every step and help us learn things in a professional way.
It is crucial for a hospitality student to have a required set of practical skills and tools. We provide students with fully equipped kitchens and essential baking facilities.
Cooking is an art, and like every form of art, it requires great deal of practice and efforts to achieve perfection. We make sure our students undergo plenty of hands-on and practical training to sharpen their technical skill and make them industry ready.
We believe bartending is much more than just serving a drink. It's about doing it with a sense of style, energy and passion. And this is exactly what students are taught. New trends in food media such as plating and food photography are taught by experts in our food studio. In our built-in restaurants and hotel, the students get to learn and polish their serving skills and dining etiquettes. To make the students well-versed with the ever-increasing industry expectations and train them for their career goals, the university organizes sessions with the celebrity chefs and industry experts on a regular basis.
Today, when we look at the new India, it's very different from the India we grew up in. और मुझे लगता है कि उसका सबसे important योगदान या contribution है that goes to Dr. Vijay Patil and his family and people who support him, his vision. That education is the only thing which separates us from the rest of the world. At D.Y. Patil, I feel that they, if you look around, they nurture that little seed, and that you are the next line of Michelin star chefs or the next researchers or the doctors or the people who are going to hold Indian flag very high. It's not about patriotism. It's giving tools to people who deserve, and this is amazing because every time I come back, I get the insight of more what India is doing now to nurture the next generation of those stars who are going to be the ambassadors of India.
The university organizes international and domestic tours, which gives our students global exposure and makes them culturally diverse broadens their perspective about the industry and enables them to experience the world beyond classrooms. Our friendly and helpful counselors, administrative officers, ensure that each student is assisted in the best possible way. Students at D.Y. Patil are not just shining academically, but in other arenas too. They get an opportunity to host events that happen in the stadium and get a real-world experience of advanced cooking training for large-scale events.
Our students got that opportunity to cook food for 14,500 people, which you won't get in any of the hotels or in cruise liners where we cook food for around 5,000 people or 6,000 people. So here in D.Y. Patil, because the events held in Stadium Kitchen are so huge in numbers, which teachers are there to help them out and they get to learn how to cook food in a large quantity.
With a firm belief in qualitative success, D.Y. Patil ensures guidance, training, foreign internships and international placement of students.
We have a 100% track record of placing our students in various international and national hotels. We have placed our students at Leela Group, the Oberoi Group, Taj Group, Radisson, Marriott's and many more international brands. We impart with our students enough job knowledge which helps them to face the interviews confidently and at a higher success rate.
Since the university welcomes the students around the country, we provide them with hostel facility. We are an institution that ensures the transformation of a student from an amateur to an expert. Think hospitality and tourism. Think D.Y. Patil University School of Hospitality and Tourism.